Good morning. So it is Monday morning and we are all packed up and ready to go. We are off to Mosswood for 3 nights and then head down to Love to Stay for 9 nights, I think it is, and then we'll go to Northwood, I actually think it is. So yeah, come follow us. So that is us. We are at the storage place picking up Eccles. I don't know if you can hear Jim in the background. Getting her all ready. Oh my god, we are here and in one piece. Looks lovely, but the road that you have to come in there, it is narrow, or is it anything? You'll have seen it, I'll have put it up before, but yeah. Jim's just at reception checking in. Alfie has been absolutely brilliant. That was us, I think we were 2 hours 30. So yeah, let's get checked in. That's Jim coming back. Let's see what he says. Well?
This is the only road in. It says you get used to it after a while. I says, what, towing a caravan? Seriously? Said you missed the sign, didn't you? I said, yep. As well as missing the road on the way up. She says, that can't be the only road in. She says, yep, that is. It's us here on the left.
Okay, so we just checked in and Jim's come back with, you get a free doggy poo bag, a welcome thing, that must be the key to the shower block, to Mosswood. As I said, this is just a stopover for us because we're off to Love to Stay and there was no way Alfie could have survived driving all that time, so this was about 2 hours 30 or something away from our bit. So yeah, very small. That's the map. And we also got this, a free, pick up your free guide. So yeah, Jim's just about to motor move it in because he didn't really want to go into the grass. But yeah, I think this is actually a service pitch we've got as well. So we're here for 3 nights. I think we leave on Wednesday to make the next journey down. But yeah, apart from the road in, it's looking alright. So let's watch the motor move it in. I think this is just an independent site, but they are telling you that they like the caravan right up against the grass, and then you have your awning and then the car, so this all got to be on the pitch. Wait till I show you. So yeah, so your car needs to be like right next to the grass. Then if you're putting an awning and then your car, we're not putting the awning up because we have the big awning. We're not going to put that up for 3 nights, but we'll probably put the windbreak up. So that's Eccles in place. We normally sit in the car and let Jim put the legs down and get it all level, and then I'll get out. We'll put Alfie in his wee peg. Picture him. I don't actually know where we're going to put him because at the other side there's a bench, so he's got to end up wrapping himself around that, but we'll wait and see. So yeah, that's our pitch, number 4, not the biggest, and we're quite close to the other caravans and not really a bit for Alfie to go. So this is the wee tourers bit. Very small, it's mostly all statics, and it looks like they seem to be the seasonal pitches over there. Okay, so this is just the wee sitting area. It's outside the front of ours. Over here is the toilet block, the bins, the washing up bit and the disposal bit. So yeah, how lovely does this look? All the flowers. So I'll show you the wee washing up bit. So there's 2 sinks, loads of space. That is really lovely. Then round the other side is the bins and the toilet, and through there's where all the statics are. So Jim has the caddick on for dinner. Good morning everybody, it's Wednesday. Just thought I would show you outside. The sun was out earlier this morning but it's now disappeared. It is very, very windy. Yeah, so that is a wee fishing lake in there, but it's all closed up. I don't know if you can see it, if you can zoom in. So this is just the wee open play bit, play park for the kids. Look, the dogs, kids can go wild. There's a wee marquee here, they do events every now and again, and they have like burger vans and all that here. Up there is another play park, and there's Big Bad Jim. Come on! Come on! There's a good boy. Last night and this morning. We just had a really chill day yesterday. Today is our last day here, and then we move on to Love to Stay, where I can't wait actually, so we can properly get set up and get the awning up, because we've only kind of like half set up because we knew we were leaving, so there's still a lot of stuff in the car. So yeah, I think we were going to go, there's a wee motorhome place, so I think we're going to go and have a wee look at the motorhome place. And I think there's like a wee barge walk or something, so we might go down there and have a look and maybe have some lunch or dinner down there. Oh, it's disgusting.
stick.
Imagine having your wee house there. Finished tidying up, packed the few wee bits that we can pack. It's moving on day tomorrow for 9 nights I think. So yeah, it's a pretty chilled night tonight. We had a really good day actually. We went into town, went to nip to Aldi's for a couple of bits, and we've seen some barges. Alfie done really well walking. He's now totally done in. So glad actually that we got the pram. I know some people, we did have a few strange looks, and a few of the kids were going, oh look mummy, there's a dog in that pram, why is that dog in that pram? But honestly, we wouldn't have been able to have had such a good day today if we'd never had the pram, because there was no way that Alfie would have been able to walk that far, or we could have carried him that far. So it gives us freedom and it gives him some freedom as well. So yeah, if you have got any older dogs and they're small enough to go in the pram, so I would personally definitely recommend you to get it. And I always used to think it was cruel having the dog in the pram, like the wee chihuahuas and things like that, and it's just for accessory. Sometimes it's a necessity, do you know what I mean? Alfie wouldn't be able to get out and about if he didn't. So yeah, we're glad with the pram, we're glad we had been able to have such a great day today. So yep, tomorrow is travel day, so early night for us. Up first thing, get packed up and head out. The roads, I don't know, you would have seen by now, the roads in and out this place are horrific. They are so tight and narrow. Oh, it scares me. So Jim's kind of tried to plan another route, but I don't think we're going to miss like the narrow roads, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we miss most of them. So yeah, we'll catch you in the morning. Today is moving day. We are moving to Live to Stay, so we're just getting packed up. We've just had breakfast, I've just got ready. Alfie still out for the cow. We've got 2.5 hour drive ahead of us. So it is pack up day today. Excuse the state of me, I really need to wash my hair, but we'll wash it tonight when we get onto site. We're just all packing up. Jim told me we could leave no later than 11. It is 10:25, result for me. So we've got about 2.5 hours journey ahead of us. So just wanted to actually show you our pitch and how small it actually was. Now this is an independent site, but it still wanted you to park your car and caravan a certain way, whereas your caravan had to be right to the grass, then your awning and then your car. And as you can see, your car would then need to go into the grass if you had your awning up. So yeah, we're glad we were only, this was only a stopover. It's a pretty quiet site. Just pity about the road getting into it. So you can see on this one where the caravan is right to the edge, then the awning, and then once they have their car would have to go in the grass. And the pitches are all very close together. Now, wouldn't it be good if Jim had an electric cable tidy thing? was actually raining this morning, pelting it down, and now the sun is out and it is gorgeous. I never actually showed you, but there's another wee play park. It's right up there. So there's actually two play parks on this side, one over at the playing field and one just up there in the tourers. This is the bit where I just stay out Jim's Road. Okay, question for everybody. When you are packed up, jockey feel up or jockey feel down? Jim actually had ours up, but he just put it down because we're ready to go. Put in the comments, jockey feel up, jockey feel down. And we're ready. How stressful was that?
That was ridiculous. That was